Welcome to Rational Learner. This is a brand new series about ES6. I also have published a blog about ES6 which you can refer using the link provided in the description. Before going to know about ES6, we must know why we should learn ES6. ES6 is faster since Google spends lots of time on developing Chrome features, and Chrome is JavaScript engine which supports ES6 features. It is used as modern JavaScript for web development. ES6 is a prerequisite to learn React and Node.js. Most of ES6 features are used in Node.js. Prerequisites of ES6: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, mostly fundamentals of JavaScript. What is ES6? ES6 is ECMAScript version 6. ECMA stands for European Computer Manufacturers Association. It is a standard for scripting language like JavaScript. ECMAScript provides rules and guidelines that a language should have. It is also called as ECMAScript 2015 because it is released in the year 2015, or JavaScript 6 or modern JavaScript because ES6 features are recently used in web development. ES5 is the previous version and ES7 is the later version of ES6, which is only compatible for two browsers, that is Chrome and Opera, but ES6 is compatible to all browsers, so it is widely used. Features of ES6: let and const, default parameter, rest parameter, spread operator, arrow functions, restructuring, objects, classes, modules, promises, generators, collections. These are the essential or main features of ES6 which is used in recent web development. Do you ever think how JavaScript works? Before going to know, we should be aware of two terms. One, JavaScript engine, and the other is JavaScript runtime. What is JavaScript engine? A program or interpreter that understands and executes JavaScript code is called as JavaScript engine. The examples of JavaScript engine are V8 in Chrome, SpiderMonkey in Firefox, Chakra in Edge. What is JavaScript runtime? The environment in which JavaScript code runs and is interpreted by the JavaScript engine is called as JavaScript runtime. The runtime also provides host objects for JavaScript. There are two types of JavaScript runtimes. One is for client side, that is browser, and other is for server side, that is Node.js. Now let's see how JavaScript runs internally in detail. In client side, JavaScript runtime engine is web browser. As you see, the diagram looks really complex, but it is very easy to understand. JavaScript runtime consists of two components, heap and stack. Heap is used to store JavaScript objects and stack is used to store JavaScript functions. Along with these, there were two more components, that is event loop and callback queue. Apart from JavaScript engine, browser contains different applications like sending HTTP requests, listen to events, delay execution using set time interval and set timeout, which comes under web APIs. So when you call a function, it is pushed into stack. If that function contains web API call, JavaScript gives control to the web API function. Once the job of the function is done, it sends the message to message queue or callback queue. The job of event loop is to look at the callback queue. If there is any pending in the callback queue, it pushes to the stack again. This is how JavaScript runs. JS versions changes from time to time. So all versions are not compatible to all browsers. Let's see what are the browsers that are compatible with ES6. Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Safari and Opera are compatible with ES6 features. These are the versions of the browsers that are compatible with ES6 and the date of release of those browsers. When ES6 features are not compatible with certain browsers, then Babel is used as transpiler. Now what is Babel? Babel is a transpiler or compiler that takes source code of program in one language and converts into another language like ES6 to ES5. The Babel transpiler converts ES6 to ES5. As you can see, the first statement, it uses arrow functions which is ES6 features. It is converted to ES5 using Babel transpiler, results in normal function statement. This is it for ES6 introduction. In later session, I will explain ES6 features. If you have any doubts, comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more learning.